Police body cam videos are getting millions of views every single month, and some of these channels are making serious money from it. But here's the truth. Most people who try this niche fail. They either upload raw footage and get demonetized, or they get hit with copyright issues, or their channel never grows. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a viral police body cam YouTube channel the right way, legally, safely, and in a way that YouTube actually promotes. The most important part, legal and policy. If you skip this section, your channel will not survive. You cannot just download police footage from YouTube and re-upload it. That's reused content. You must use public record footage, usually released by police departments or through official requests. And most importantly, you must transform the footage. That means add narration, add analysis, add context, edit the footage, blur faces if necessary, and remove graphic content. YouTube rewards commentary and documentary-style breakdowns, not lazy reposting. So if you treat this like a media brand instead of a clip page, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Step 1. Create your YouTube channel. Alright, now let's start from the very beginning. First, open your browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you're signed in with your Gmail account. If you don't have one, create a Gmail first. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now here's something smart you can do. Before choosing your channel name, go to ChatGPT and type, "I want to create a YouTube channel in the police body cam documentary niche. Suggest strong, viral, authority-style channel names." ChatGPT will generate multiple professional names according to your niche. Choose a name that sounds serious and documentary style. Avoid funny or childish names. This niche requires authority. Now for your profile picture. Go to Gemini AI. Type something like this prompt. Gemini will generate images based on your description. I personally recommend choosing a police pattern style design, something that looks real, serious, and official. Dark blue tones, subtle red lights, minimal text, clean badge or shield style. Download that image. Now go back to YouTube Studio. Upload the profile picture you created. Add your channel name, write a short description. Click Publish, and just like that, your foundation is ready. Step 2. Finding footage. Now let's talk about finding footage the right way. You cannot download random clips from YouTube. Instead, search for publicly released body cam footage from official police department websites, city government portals, or news outlets that publish body cam releases. Some requests may take time, some may require a small processing fee. But this method gives you original, legally obtained content, which is powerful. Always double-check that the footage is cleared for public release before using it. Step 3. Editing for virality. This is where your channel becomes professional. Raw footage alone is not enough. You must transform it into a story. Here's the structure again. Hook, context, breakdown, outcome, lesson. Start your video with tension. Now during editing, add zoom-ins on key moments, highlight important dialogue with subtitles, blur faces if necessary, add slow cinematic background music, and very important, add a voiceover. You can record your own voice using a decent microphone, or if you're not comfortable, you can use AI voice tools, but make sure it sounds natural and human-like. Your voiceover should explain what's happening, why it matters legally, what mistakes were made, what the possible outcome could be. Pause the footage at key moments and analyze it. This makes your video educational, not just entertainment. Remember, you're building a documentary brand. Step 4. Monetization strategy. Police body cam channels can earn good ad revenue, especially if content is educational and policy-focused. But you must avoid graphic violence, excessive profanity, unedited, shocking content. Keep your tone analytical. Consistency is key. Upload 2 high-quality videos per week. Focus on storytelling. Over time, your authority builds, and so does your revenue. So that's the full blueprint. Create your channel professionally, design strong branding, get footage legally, transform it with storytelling, and monetize the smart way. This niche isn't about chasing drama, it's about building a serious documentary presence on YouTube. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full tutorial on scripting your first police body cam breakdown video. I'll see you in the next one.